Lu Yusheng, a Chinese national lawmaker, is a native of Xi'an Village in Yongtai County, southeast China's Fujian province. After completing his high school education, Lu left his village to seek employment outside. Through years of hard work, he opened his own factory. Although his financial situation had been improved, Lu found himself longing for his roots. Upon returning to his hometown in 2006, Lu found that many villagers still lived in poverty. As Xi'an Village has a long history of tea oil tree planting, Lu decided to establish a cooperative to help locals live a better life.
这个合作社大概投资入股的有100多户，是这样。然后我们这个合作社总共的面积合作起来加起来有2000多亩，带动了这个油茶的发展，解决了这个西安村的以及周边村的这个闲散的劳动就业300多人。然后呢，农民就是增收，就是一年大概增收1-2万元的这个增加收入。
以前我们西安村都是在比较偏僻的乡下，交通也不发达。这几年国家政策比较好，振兴乡村，好多乡亲都回来家里的创业。
Lu was elected a deputy to the National People's Congress, the top legislature, in 2018, and was re-elected in 2023.
今年带来一些建议，一个仍然还是就是提出了油茶产业的发展。第二个建议成立一个油茶产业基金，这个基金专门用于油茶的这个开发、推广、销售，包括种植技术方面的等等之类的，乡村振兴，产业先行。